How to transform my relationship and metaphor. This is about a relationship with a person or a thing. And the transformation will be to do with how you are relating to this person or this thing. So first of all, find a metaphor for the relationship. Just give yourself time to consider this. For example, is your relationship like Strictly Ballroom? A seesaw? An engine? A fairy story? Fish and chips? A sinking ship? Step into your position in the metaphor. That is, actually move forwards, step into it so that you're in the metaphor. Now, what do you notice? Where's the energy? What catches your attention? And what might be out of sight? Now move into the other position. That is the other person or thing in the relationship. Now what do you notice? Where's the energy? What catches your attention and what might be out of sight? Then step back, that is step back, just one step, and look at both contributors. What do you notice about those contributors? How does the metaphor form and grow? What sustains it? Could it be something else? Is there a completely different metaphor that this one could be? How is it changing as you focus on it? What surrounds it? What's above it? What's below it? What can you see and hear and feel? What do you notice about which contributor takes the lead? What if this changed? What if it was the other one? And what sorts of new learning do you get as you observe this situation? And how does that affect your intentions for the future? So then just stand back and look at what is unfolding before you. And just observe it for a few minutes, allowing it to unfold and set its future direction. Thank you.